In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Unknown Error FFFF in RDR2. So first thing you want to do is when you open your Epic Games, you're going to find this button. So here in your Epic Games, you will find, for example, beside your game. So if you are having the game in the library here, so what you want to do is I'm going to show an example for the Grand Theft Auto. As an example, you could do the same to the Red Dead Redemption. So you can basically click on these three dots on Red Dead Redemption and then click manage, and you will see this button that says verify. So click verify. This might take a few minutes to verify, and once you're done, you can close this down. And then here you want to go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, then click OK. And now check if this is a issue with the DISM. So you can do this by doing scan. So if you do DISM/online cleanup image and then scan health, this will check for you. So if there's any issues, you can write this second command to fix it. So DISM online cleanup restore health. And then lastly, write ipconfig flush DNS, and hopefully this fixes your issue.